Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. And today we have this old LG window air conditioner in Galveston at my brother's house. Still working. Got some cool run on there, pretty dang bad. So it's not long for this world. It's an 8,000 BTU window unit here. Just kicked off. Dang, mosquitoes are bad out here. It's got some water inside the tray. As you can see, it's got water in it. Coil rot. Pretty rusty. That's what Galveston will do for you. Oh yeah, this is really bad. Fuck mosquitoes. Get away, mosquitoes. Yeah, it's starting to get rust on this side. Here. Yeah, here's a nasty one. But it still works. Oh, that might be coming on. Sensing air. Energy saving mode is sensing air. Oh, it came on. There you go. Still closed, nice and cold. It's like in a little storage part of the house. There's the vacuum and other stuff in here. Energy save mode's on high, set to 73. A little dirty and stuff, but that's alright, it's not too bad. Just needs a good clean. Well, that's all folks. Thanks for watching. And I'll have more to come later. Which I do, because I got a early 90s Whirlpool 14,000 BTU that I'm going to record. We just got in last week for 50 bucks. So yeah, that'll be the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.